Okay, we are now live sa contest ni Sir Dex 2014 Blaster Box plus Lebron Game Use Jersey. Okay, two winners. Top spot gets the Prism Box, bottom spot gets the Lebron Jersey. Okay. So we are now live. The time is 9:19, December 1. Okay, rule. 2 dice roll. Lowest 5. Top spot gets papihin na lang natin. Okay. So we have 23 items. Gary on top, Gary on the bottom. Dice roller. 6 and 6. 6 and 6 equals 12 times. Good luck. Okay, the time is 9:20. So again, Gary De La Cruz on the bottom, Gary De La Cruz on top. Gary on top, Gary on the bottom. Okay, 23 items. 23 items. Randomize 12 times. First, Sir Gian. Second, Sir Conrado. Third, Sir Gary. Fourth, Sir Edgar. Fifth, Sir Gary. Sixth, Sir Edgar. 7, Sir KP. 8, Sir Edgar. 9, Sir Gio. 12 times. 9:21. 10th, Sir KP. And 11, Sir Gary. Okay, 23 items, 11 times. We roll a 6. Time is 9:22. Last random. Good luck sa lahat. And for the last random, congratulations again, Sir Edgar, for winning the Blaster Box, and Sir Gary De La Cruz for winning the Lebron GU.